Good morning, 早上好. Today we are going to learn a very interesting word. When you start to learn HSK, ensure the number one word is And what does it mean? When we put in the beginning of the sentence, actually has 5 common ways to use. Don't worry, today we are going to learn together. The first way to use it's when you are so surprised and you are amazed. For example, you can say 你太美了你太美了means oh wow. 你 means you. 太 something 了 means very. 美 means beautiful. So 你太美了 You are so beautiful. Wow, you are too beautiful. How beautiful you are. It's like that. So the first way to use is when you are amazed. You are so surprised. It seems like wow, oh, you are so beautiful. 你太美了 美 means beautiful. Of course, here you can also say 漂亮你太漂亮了 太 means very. Okay, this is the first way to use And the second way, well, when you pronounce this one, basically it means a question. So it's similar, it sounds like the second tone. Okay, for example, 你说什么你说什么你 means you. 说 means to say or to speak. 什么 means what. What are you talking about? 你说什么 What are you saying? What are you speaking? What are you talking about? Well, in English, basically it's like the 你说什么 So this is like the or like what? What are you talking about? 你说什么你说什么 Okay, so the second way to use basically we pronounce like as the second tone, similar like a question. So when you want to ask a question, before the question you can say okay. And the third way to use it means yes, but it's like the letter tone. Similar is like For example, 我马上来我马上来我 means I. 马上 means soon or at once. 来 means come. So basically, I come soon. Similar is I'm coming. 我马上来我马上来 means yeah, I'm coming soon. Okay, so the third way to use means yes. Okay, next one, the fourth way to use means well, and when you understand something, you can say like this. You only say it already means like I see. Okay, if you want to make the sentence clearly, you can say 我明白了我明白了我 means I. 明白 means understand. 明白了 means the past tense. So 明白了 means understood. Okay, so I understand, I understood. I understood. I see, I understood. Or well, it's similar in English. I see. 我明白了 Okay, so this is the first way to use when you understand something. Like this. You can also say like this way. It doesn't matter about the third tone or fourth tone. Okay. So the last way to use basically it's like you are very sad and your heart is broken. Well, so it's like that you want to express your anger So you can pronounce this like ah, ah. Yeah, sometimes you can do this, right? So similar, the same character. Ah, 我心碎了. 我 means I, but 我心 basically you can say 我的心 means my heart. 我心 means your heart. 碎 means break. 碎了. So that's the past tense. So 碎了 broken. My heart is broken. Ah, my heart is broken. You want to express your anger. You want to tell people how sad you are. So you can also use ah. So it's ah. Okay. So in English you also have like wow. It's like this. Okay. So so there are 5 ways to use ah. It depends on your feelings. Like you can say ah, 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 like this. Okay. But the common ways to use them, basically the first one, you are amazed. You say ah, you are so beautiful. Ah, 你太美了. Second, it's like you don't understand. It's like a question. Ah, 你说什么? Ah, what are you talking about? Okay. The third way is like it means yes. Ah, 我马上来. Yeah, I'm coming soon. And the fourth way is like that you understood something. Means like I see, ah, I see. In this case, you can say 啊，我明白了. Okay, the fifth way is like the express your anger and your sadness. It's like the 我心碎了. My heart is broken. Okay, so today we learned 5 ways to use and when we put in front of the sentences. And next lesson we are going to learn but it's the in the end of the sentence. It's going to be very interesting. So next lesson we are going to learn how to use when is in the end of the sentence. Okay, thank you for watching today. I will see you next time. Bye bye.